Hey friends, welcome back to Easy AI, the place where coding meets creativity. Today, we're going to explore an amazing Python project called the Emoji Trading Game. This game is a little more advanced than some of our previous projects, but don't worry, I'm going to explain everything in detail so that by the end, you'll understand exactly how it works and even be able to make your own version. Imagine a mini stock market, but instead of companies, we trade emojis. You start with a certain number of coins, let's say 100 coins. Then there's a market with different emojis, each with a price. For example, a cat emoji might cost 5 coins, a pizza emoji costs 8 coins, a car emoji costs 12 coins, and so on. Your goal is to buy and sell emojis wisely to make as much profit as possible before the game ends. Every round, prices change randomly. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. You have to make smart decisions to maximize your net worth. Think of it as a real stock market game, but friendly and fun for kids. You also have a portfolio, which is like a backpack where you store everything you buy. At first, your backpack is empty. As you buy emojis, they go into your portfolio. When you sell them, they leave your backpack and give you coins in return. The portfolio is stored in something called a dictionary. In Python, a dictionary is like a special box that stores pairs of things, a key and a value. In this game, the key is the emoji and the value is how many of that emoji you own. For example, if you have 2 pizzas, the dictionary stores something like pizza emoji 2. This is really important because it allows the game to track exactly what the player owns. It's flexible too. You can add more emojis later without changing the main structure of the game. The market itself is another dictionary where each emoji has a price. But here's the fun part. Prices don't stay the same. Every round, prices go up or down randomly. We use a tool called the random module in Python to generate random numbers within a certain range. These numbers determine how much the prices will change each round. This randomness makes the game exciting because you never know exactly what will happen next. For example, the pizza emoji might cost 8 coins in one round, 10 coins in the next, or even drop to 6 coins. Players have to watch the market and decide the best time to buy or sell. Each round, the game shows the market, your coin balance, your portfolio, and your total net worth. Net worth is very important because it's the sum of the coins you have plus the value of all the emojis you own. For example, if you have 50 coins and 2 pizzas that cost 10 coins each, your net worth is 70 coins. This helps you understand how well you're really doing, not just how much money is in your hand. Now comes the fun part, making decisions. Each round, you can choose to buy emojis, sell emojis, or skip around. Let's say you choose to buy. You pick an emoji and decide how many units to purchase. The game checks if you have enough coins. If you do, the coins are subtracted and the emojis are added to your portfolio. It's important to think carefully. For example, if you spend all your coins buying a cat emoji that drops in price the next round, you might lose coins. But if you buy at the right time, you can make a lot of profit. Selling works in reverse. You pick an emoji and decide how many units to sell. The game checks if you actually own enough units. If you do, the coins are added to your balance and the units are removed from your portfolio. A key strategy is to watch the market closely. If the price is high, it might be a good time to sell. If the price is low, maybe wait for it to rise. Making these decisions teaches players about risk, reward, and planning. Let's go through a mini example. Imagine you have 50 coins and you see that the pizza emoji costs 8 coins. You decide to buy 3 pizzas. That costs 24 coins, leaving you with 26 coins. The 3 pizzas go into your portfolio. Next round, the price of pizza rises to 10 coins. Now your 3 pizzas are worth 30 coins. You decide to sell all 3. You get 30 coins, adding to your 26 coins, giving you a total of 56 coins. You made a profit of 6 coins. Now, imagine a different scenario. You buy a car emoji for 12 coins, but the next round, the price drops to 10 coins. If you sell now, you lose 2 coins. This teaches an important lesson. Sometimes patience is better than acting immediately. It's all about strategy. Let's think about a more complicated situation. Suppose you have 3 different emojis: a cat, pizza, and a car. You have a limited number of coins, and the prices change in different ways. You have to decide which emojis to buy, how many units to buy, and when to sell. This is where the game becomes more challenging and more like a real-life trading game. You're learning how to make decisions with limited resources, just like traders do. Sometimes prices might change drastically due to random events. You can imagine a sudden pizza boom. Everyone wants pizza, so the price doubles. Or maybe a car crash in the market. The price falls by half. These random events make the game more exciting and unpredictable. After all the rounds are complete, the game ends. You see your final coins, your portfolio, and your total net worth. This final net worth is your score. You can compare it with friends or try again to beat your own record. There are many ways to expand this game. You could add random events, create a high score system, add more emojis with different prices, or even create levels where the game becomes longer and more volatile. You could even make a graphical version with buttons and images. By building and playing this game, you learn important Python concepts like variables, dictionaries, loops, conditionals, and using external modules like random. You also develop skills in planning, decision-making, and risk management. So that's the emoji trading game in Python. It's fun, challenging, and educational. And the best part is you can expand it however you want. You can add emojis, events, or rules to make it your own unique game. Thanks so much for watching Easy AI, the place where coding meets creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comments, what emoji should we add to the trading game next? Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and I'll see you soon.